Check out this 2011 Cadillac CTS. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.